Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome to True Talk with Margaret Hookup TV show. Please, my brother and my sister, do not fail to share, like, and subscribe. That is my YouTube channel, True Talk with Margaret Hookup TV show. As we do, may God bless you. You see, today's video, I want to talk concerning that boy wey scatter him mama things. The boy didn't right. What he do to him mama, he good, or that he bad. So please watch.
Children, but now what's happening?
What happened? I just did because since they ignore me, they go, they come back. You understand? So this Sunday, you just come. When passport, by the way, you just come. And they eat in the afternoon. As usual, I call and say, okay, come up to do mass. You don't come. I leave them. I finish our prayer. The mass one they do. So he can't come. He need my P21. He need my my passport. He need my. He just lists some few things. I know even talk. I know even answer. You understand?
Baby, one want to talk to
You understand?
Chidera, can you stop right now?
Baby, come. Baby, come.
Not go there.
Baby, come. Baby, come. Leave
No, I come. What's that something?
Come by that say, leave on.
Don't go there, may not go enjoy yourself. Not go there because broken things they are not good there.
You understand? So when he can't come my room, say make I give him. I don't know I don't give him. He can't go carry my stuff for my room. They begin to look.
What did you want there for?
P21.
What do you want use P21 for?
He said he want apply for his school thing for
what?
For UCD. Say UCD.
What do you want use? They don't need your duty for your.
I'm not even answer. He can't come for room. Can't tell me say make I give him the passport. You understand? So when I come tell him say, you know what? Call your dad. Your dad, your passport is already expired. Your dad, call your dad. Because your dad, Papa say make me and I no go fix it. I need to make I tell him make he call him. I come and say, call your dad. He can't say if I don't give him must. I can't go to the room because I know what that door where they keep my things. Go upstairs, go see how he scatter my things. He can't carry the bag where they put documents. They look for it. I say, why will you take my stuff without asking me? He said, why are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? Are they ignorant since? So now you go talk myself from there. Say I must give up. Now your own.
Did I say that?
Now your own. I just ignore it. I can't say look I leave until you go come. You understand?
What did you guys say?
Oh, they said they're coming.
Okay. Children, stop now. Children, stop.
Make him finish what he did. Do leave him. We don't do the worst. So leave him make continue.
The guy can't come. The only guy can't come. So me and I come. The guy sees my car key, sees my phone. For waiting. I don't say give me my phone. Now they will come. They say if I know, I can't. Me and I come. They drive the thing. I can't collect my car key, collect my phone for him. Now there I can't begin to despoil the things. They scatter the things. Say I must give her. If I don't give her, now there I can't scatter one.
Not be your own.
Is that why you did it?
You understand? So when daddy come finish,
In my eye.
All these things that you ask. Let go down.
I told you.
That's why I came here.
Break stuff.
That's why I came here. That's why I came here for you to come and talk to
Break
me.
stuff. So now
All these things that you are breaking down.
Okay.
Will you come and talk to me? Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me.
Simon will be straining all the
make it go. Hold on. He said no one talk.
G, with this brush here. G.
Okay, come and talk to me. Yeah,
There's videos of that.
all right. Okay, yeah.
So when the guy
You come. Come and talk to me. Come and talk to me. You come and talk to me. No. Julia, don't do that. See. Come. Julia, come. I promise you, come. I promise you something. I promise you something. Come.
Leave her now. Make you not go hurt yourself.
I beg, call your husband, make you leave her. You don't do the worst. You don't do the worst. You don't do.
Which one you want to do? What you want to do?
You want to smash my phone.
One smart.
You know I love you. Everybody don't love you.
Chidera, can you
No.
listen to Uncle?
You know I love you. I know that.
I've been saying this for so long. No one is
You know I love you. You know that, right? No.
No, what have you been saying for so long?
I'm telling you, do not watch my TV.
Yeah, don't touch the TV, man.
Get key, but lock her first.
Sean, bring my car key. Where's my car key?
Yeah, I know. Oh, Jesus.
What do you have on my love?
The mirror. The mirror.
No, don't.
Should I-
Don't, because that one I will not let you
Don't,
choose.
should I-
I'm not letting you. Go and get my car key now.
I don't know where that is. I'm guessing that
It's
here.
upstairs
Go
somewhere.
and check. The camera mind we don't get mine. The camera mind we don't get mine. Paying for your hours. The camera mind we don't get. We can enjoy your hours one day. We can enjoy your hours one day. The camera mind we don't get. Come up with the house.
I don't want to. Can you tell us make you do for where you go? Say, can you know the thing go? Come on.
Can they come today?
You don't come now. They don't go. He can't come down because I tell us when he can't come, he can't begin to take the food. I'm gonna say you will ask. He said no. He can't begin pour juice for inside my salad. Why do?
Yeah,
For
I
waiting.
have a video of it.
For waiting. I don't. And then from the time, just ask. He said no, but he first carry the food and the meat while you pour for ground. He just begin to drag. Who will the toilet all those rubbish?
Madam, I'm gonna close that door for now.
When I see my people and I don't watch the video finish, when I see what this boy do to a mother, you see the way he scatter in mama kitchen. He scatter everything, destroy mama kitchen. Wait he gain when he destroy this to a mother. When he do this to a mother, now what be the achievement? When I don't hear for the mama say, he they ask for it, they go check in document. What he want go check for a document? He want go do something, so what he want go do safe. He not need he not really need the mama document or whatever. Which kind of, you see the Bible say, train off a child the way we grow. So that when he old, he will not depart for it. Now the way we take train our children, now they will take grow. Now the way we take too much pamper them. That is, if they ask anything, we will just rush, give them. The day when you don't give them, they go the verse. Now be this boy, say don't they talk to a mama, a mama not they listen to her. So now mama go listen to her. Now scatter your mama kitchen, scatter your mama property. Now go make your mama listen to you. You don't give your mama more expensive to pay. You see, we need men. That is, we need our husband in the house. Because if he papa did it now, he no go fit do what he do so. That's why I know they support divorcing. I know they support anything they bring, say the papa can't come up for house. I know they like him. Because the men, the boys, especially our boys, they need their father. Because if pikin they do bad thing, if mama they talk, the pikin not they listen. Once you hear a papa voice, you go see say go behave himself. That is why we need our husband in the house. That is why when you get problem with your husband, when I go find one, I will take settle it. If the man not they beat you, try to go for help. For locopodia, I'll call it therapy with your husband. You understand? So that they will feel bring both of you together. Because most of the time, breaking home, they destroy children. They make children know they happy. As they happy, so they're going to put the frustration for their mother, especially their mother, and they're going to get the stress. So see what this boy do so. He no good at all. Now who to blame? Are you going to blame their son, or you blame the parents? The parents will blame the mama and the papa. Because the mama, they will say, don't vote in papa. You understand so? The mama said they fear the son. Your own pikin where you born, bring on this life. You can't they give you pains and pains. It's not good. And what did this boy do? So his own children too go down to run. So he go know how he be. No matter how your mama do rich, you're not supposed to treat your mama this way. You're not supposed to treat your mama this way. Bible talk and say, respect your mama and your papa so your days may be long. Listen to your mama and your papa so that your days may be long. And parents too, listen to your children. Have time for your children. Like the boy they say they talk, mama not they listen. Mother, make we too, they do business, they look for money, but make we get time for our children. Make mama and papa, parents get time for their children to know when their children they in pains, to know when their children they in depression, to know when their children need something, how to help their children, how to take that depression out from there, how to make their children speak their mind, what they bother them, what they pain them, what you as a mama, as a papa don't make mistake where you don't even know say if they pay your son or if they pay your daughter. But that time when you get with them, when you let them talk it out, when they cry it out, when they from small, you get to let them know to bring out their pain out from when they did 2, 3, 5 years, when they don't even they talk. Let the children speak their mind. and get time to listen to them. If you no go feel something you no go do, you go explain to them why you no go fit do, and the reason why you no go give them, and the reason why you no go do this, so that then they self as the children go understand. Because children too get right to waiting to ask for something and to speak waiting they inside their mind. And you as a parent, you get to caution them and let them know, say, I no go fit do this, my child, my son. If I can do it, I will do it. You understand? So so waiting, my people, what you wanna think about this issue? What did this boy do to a mother is good? This boy is because maybe the mama and the papa, they are not together because now breaking home, now make can so or what? Because even some own way, some children now only mama take care of them. They become something for life. They not get this attitude. Some children now only their papa take care of them. They become something for life. They not get this kind of attitude to this kind of behavior. You understand? By the grace of God. That is why we get to put our children in the hands of God and pray for them. And I pray, say, every marriage where they don't born pikin to put inside, make it work. Make it work. Make mama and papa dey for house. Take care of their children. Make the children not come, they get the mistake where mama and papa make. The children now come, they suffer, and their children who come, they suffer it. No. So we they pray, my prayer say, make every marriage, every couple, me they date as they take promise themselves, as they take me themselves, love each other, come promise themselves, say till they do them apart, make it be so. So please put your comments there and share and like. And if you dey look for your life partner, do not fail to add me on my WhatsApp number is there, and my call number direct is there. So as you do, you know, God will bless you. So please train up your child the way we grow. Listen to your children so that they will not depart from it, so that this situation will not come again. So thank you as you watch. May God bless you. Choose for now. See you for my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.